So let's run our application now. We've just done all this work to get everything up and running and configured and built and all the pieces in place. Let's run it. Now that we've got everything wired up, our server should be configured down here, and our web app should be added to it already down here. So you should see Fitness Tracker under your servers tab down here. And if you accidentally close this tab, let me show you just like I did there. You can go up to Window, Show View, Servers, and that should pop that back up. And if you expand it, you should see Fitness Tracker underneath there. If by chance you don't have Fitness Tracker underneath there, you can re-add it by just right-clicking on it and say Add and Remove, and going to Fitness Tracker and adding that back over. All right, so everything should be added there. Let's go ahead and start our application up. Just click that green arrow, and you should see it load up. There shouldn't be any errors over here. So I want to show you this console, because if you really pay attention to the output from Spring, it can help you a lot. There's no error messages. There is a warning. It has nothing to do with us, so we're good to go there. So let's go ahead and pull up a web page, and we'll go to localhost 8080, and I actually have the URL in here because I've ran it before. We want to go localhost 8080 fitness tracker / greeting.html. If I enter that, it should take it a second to compile it the first time, and you should see hello world. So everything should have ran fine. If it didn't, make sure you look at your console output and see if there's any error messages that didn't have, that popped up or happened down here. You'll notice when Spring initialized and loaded everything, it'll tell you what your URLs are mapped to and what beans it's created and those types of things down here. So pretty informative console if you pay attention to it.